I'm out here with the iBobber today, and I'm gonna catch some bruisers. Well, there's some fish rising on the surface in here. I know they're here. Here we are, we have the iBobber, and we're in a spot where we can't use the boat's transducer to get in there. We're blocked off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this iBobber to map out the bottom and figure out what kind of depth we're working with. The iBobber sonar is good up to 135 feet, and it's got a fish mode as well as a raw mapping sonar feature. And it's all gonna show up straight on your smartphone. Fish under 15 inches get an orange tag, and fish over 15 inches get a green tag. This is the only mobile sonar that can do that. So another great feature of the iBobber is the waterbed mapping. This thing is going to be able to be casted out 100 feet and map the entire bottom that's going to come straight through to your smartphone. This is actually going to show you the contour of the waterbed, all the nooks and crannies, and that's going to let you know where those big fish are hiding. So I've used the iBobber to map out how deep it is, and I've switched over to a weight, and that's allowed me to, got him on. There he is, oh, nice one. Thanks to the iBobber, I was able to figure out how deep to put my bait. This beautiful largemouth bass. Let's see if we can't get another one here. Got him, coming in. It's a good fish, it's a good fish. Oh yeah. Yes, 10 minutes with the iBobber. There's our third fish, ReelSonar pliers. This is the ReelSonar scale, 1.6, is about what I was thinking. I got him on. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Thanks to the iBobber, this is too easy. Guys, this thing is loaded with a bunch of other great features. You got a trip log on here. It's gonna allow you to record the day's events, and you can even drop pins with GPS locations so that you can remember those great fishing spots. You guys can also log things like temperature, fishing spots, anything you want. You can even upload that to social media and send it to your friends that are stuck at the office. The iBobber has a 10-hour battery life, so this thing is gonna be good for the entire day of fishing. The iBobber is gonna make any day of fishing way better. We all have sonars, or most of us do on our boats these days, but when you have a place that you need to get into that sonar can't read, use the iBobber. You can use the iBobber from a kayak, from your dock, or from the shore. To sum it up, anybody that loves to fish and wants to find fish needs to have an iBobber. iBobber. Cast, find, catch, repeat.